And I must say, the kind of research Sankalp has done in this program and the facts and the figures that he produced based on those research, the learning pillars that he has created based on that research is phenomenal. They are like eye openers for any entrepreneur, for any student, for any freelance.
I am very happy after attending this workshop because I learned a lot of new stuff, not only related to sales, about digital marketing also, what we are seeing nowadays, the online entrepreneurs world.
But using DSF membership, I'm learning to implement and also strategize and conceptualize, where it is helping me in successfully onboarding Fortune 500 clients for the likes of Microsoft, Intel, etc. By using techniques like BAB technique, then elevator pitching technique, and lots of other amazing techniques.
The best part of the workshop was the live sales demo pitch. Sankalp has an experience in both hardcore field as well as digital marketing, which makes this workshop so unique. Anyone who is into sales and business development, I would recommend you to attend this workshop.